Hi, my name is Bridget, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Google Hangouts video call. So, you of course have to have a Google account. So, you sign into your account and then you go to your apps. And Google Hangouts is not on this page, so you just press more, and here it is. So, you click on it, and it'll bring you to this page. So, then you just click video call. So, click video call. And then invite people will pop up, so that means you just invite somebody. So I'll invite type in my other email. So yeah, and then you just press invite and it'll send to them. So then you can also send messages in your video call, and it'll pop up, it'll show them what messages you're sending and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you make a Google Hangouts video call. Thank you.